Welcome to our channel. Today we how to subscribe with Wave Accounting for real estate bookkeeping, beginner guide step by step clearly. To begin, visit the Wave Accounting website. Click on the Sign Up for Free button located on the homepage. You will be prompted to enter your email address. Create a strong password to secure your account. After entering your information, click on the Get Started button. Check your email for a verification message from Wave. Open the email and click on the verification link provided. Once verified, return to the Wave Accounting website to log in. Enter your email and password, then click on Login. When logged in, select Add Your Business to set up your real estate bookkeeping. Fill out your business name and select the type of business you operate. Select Real Estate from the list of business categories. Choose whether you want to add your business address and contact information. Next, set up your financial information such as currency and tax settings. Take a moment to configure your account settings under Settings. You may want to enable notifications for account updates and reminders. After setup, navigate to the dashboard to explore the features available. You can add clients by selecting Sales and then Customers. Fill in the necessary client details and save your changes. To track expenses, go to the Expenses tab and click on Add Expense. Enter the details for each expense, categorizing them. Utilize the reporting features to monitor financial performance. Make sure to familiarize yourself with Wave's tools to streamline your bookkeeping. Regularly update your records to maintain accurate financials. Consider integrating your bank account for automatic imports of transactions. Explore any additional features that may benefit your real estate business. Now, you are ready to effectively manage your real estate bookkeeping with Wave Accounting. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.